I've got another combination lock here, a tricycle 4-wheel combination lock, and I want to attempt to see if I can open it out of the package. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my wife to set this to a random combination using a random number generator. I'm going to see if I can get into it. Okay, one moment. Okay, that's been done. It's been set to all zeros. So I'm going to start turning the wheels under tension and see if I can tell if any of the wheels are binding. Okay. This one seems to click into a gate. So does that. So does that. So does that. Okay, so they're all in gates, and it's obviously got false gates because the lock isn't open. So what I do now is test each one, see if I can see which is the loosest. They're all, I don't know, quite tight. I'm going to release, turn, and tension again. Try this wheel. Okay, so it looks as though this one's got gates every second wheel. That 7 is looser than the 5. Let me just check that again. Yep, the 7 is much looser. But not heaps looser, but it is looser. Let's check the others. So, yep, 9, a little bit loose. 1, very loose. Okay, I'm happy with 1. Just double check 3. No, I think I'm happy with 1. So, okay, I'll go to the next wheel. I think this is the wheel that's the tightest, so I'll pick on this wheel. Tension. Okay, so it went from 7 to 9. So every second number is a gate. 1. They're all a little bit loose. 3 is looser. So is 5. Okay, so is it 5? Is that much loose? Or is it 3? I think 5 might be a little bit looser, and it's also a little bit mushy. So it seems to be I don't know, engaging the inner wheel more. I think it's looser and mushy. Mushy is a good sign, as Potty 314 taught me. Okay, so got this one, Now, both of these are tight. Maybe this one's the tightest now. So tuning to, okay, that is looser than it was, still not that loose. I'll just check the others. Yep, still this one, so a little bit loose. Oh, keep that in its number, okay. Okay, this one keeps moving out, so it's ruining the feedback for this one, so I'll go around checking the numbers again. Okay, I think 4 is looser than 2. This one seems tight now, so just a little bit tighter. So we've got loose, loosish. Not happy with this one, but yeah, let's have a look. Make sure these numbers haven't moved. Oh, I see. Okay, so this actually moved, didn't it? Okay, so this wheel keeps moving. Okay, so just double checking. Okay, so I've got loose, and not so loose. If I increase the tension even more, loosish. This is the only one that remains really loose, so I'm confident about this one. Okay, let's go to the next. I keep on shifting these other numbers by accident. Okay, so this one's still tight, so let's go to the next gate, every second number. So instead of 6, let's try 8. Okay, that's a lot looser. Okay, so loose, and the lock's open. Okay, so that was a really good fun lock. It had gates on every second wheel, and the correct method is to first of all get all the wheels and gates, then pick on the wheel that's binding the most, that has the tightest gate, and turn it to the loosest gate for that wheel, and then hopefully one of the other wheels will start binding and will be tight, so you pick on that wheel and turn it to a gate which is looser, and keep going until the lock opens. Thanks.